Are you experiencing any problems with your laptop? Are you looking for a reliable laptop repair shop in Nairobi? Get in touch with us to learn more about how to get your laptop back in form. We offer computer repair services, parts replacement, upgrades and updates, and many more services. Our shop is located in Nairobi CBD. This is what we can get done for you: screen replacement, memory upgrade, storage upgrade, touchpad replacement, webcam repair, software installation, laptop body replacement, laptop tracking installation, keypad replacement, Bluetooth installation, and so much more.